Most BMW owners think longevity comes down to big ticket items, a timing change job, a transmission service, an engine rebuild. The data says otherwise. The maintenance tasks that separate a BMW that dies at 150,000 miles from one that keeps running past 300,000 are mostly small, monthly checks, not major repairs. According to BMW certified service documentation and independent maintenance guides, several core checks are specifically recommended on a monthly basis, not annually or by mileage. In this video, I'm walking through exactly what to check every single month, why each one matters statistically, and what it costs to ignore. Every item here is sourced. Let's get into it. Number 1, check your tire pressure every month. Documented maintenance guidance recommends checking tire pressure monthly, with most passenger vehicles requiring 32 to 35 psi. Though your specific BMW's recommended pressure is listed on the driver's door jamb sticker. This isn't a minor cosmetic check. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, reduce fuel efficiency, and cause uneven tread wear that shortens tire life. And BMW's own maintenance documentation includes tire pressure monitor checks as a standard scheduled item. A 5-minute monthly check with a gauge costs nothing. A full tire replacement caused by chronic underinflation costs several $100s per tire, multiplied across a set of 4. Number 2, inspect and clean your battery terminals every month. BMW focused maintenance checklists specifically list battery terminal inspection as a monthly task, since corrosion buildup at the terminals is a documented cause of electrical issues and starting problems. Independent guidance also recommends replacing the battery itself every 4 to 6 years, but the monthly terminal check is what catches a developing problem before it strands you. This matters more on modern BMWs than on older cars, since these vehicles run extensive onboard electronics that are sensitive to voltage drops caused by corroded connections. Number 3, top off your fluids every month. Monthly fluid checks are a recurring line item across BMW maintenance documentation, covering coolant level and concentration, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. This is separate from a full fluid replacement service. It's a level check, catching a slow leak before it becomes a dry system. Brake fluid specifically is documented to absorb moisture over time, which lowers its boiling point, and manufacturer guidance recommends full brake fluid replacement roughly every 2 years regardless of mileage, with monthly level checks catching any unexpected drop that signals a leak in between full services. If tracking this level of detail is useful to you, subscribing helps this channel keep producing sourced, factual maintenance breakdowns instead of generic car advice. Number 4, check your wiper blades and lights every month. Monthly checklists from BMW focused service providers explicitly include wiper blade inspection and exterior light testing. BMW's rain sensing wiper systems are only as effective as the blades themselves, and a streaking or chattering blade reduces visibility regardless of how advanced the sensor system is. Testing headlights, brake lights, and turn signals monthly is a documented safety check that also prevents a failed inspection or citation, and catching a failed bulb early avoids driving for weeks with reduced visibility or signaling. Number 5, monitor your tire tread depth every month. Beyond pressure, monthly guidance also recommends assessing tire tread depth, commonly measured using a coin test. Documented data shows brake pads typically last between 25,000 and 70,000 miles, depending on driving conditions, and tire wear interacts directly with braking distance and stability. Catching uneven tread wear early, often a sign of an alignment or suspension issue, allows a smaller correction instead of a full tire replacement plus an alignment plus whatever suspension component caused the uneven wear in the first place. Number 6, watch your dashboard warning lights and don't normalize them. Documented maintenance guidance is direct on this point. Monitor warning lights and address anything unusual before it becomes a bigger issue. This sounds obvious, but it's listed explicitly because it's the single most commonly ignored piece of monthly guidance. A dashboard light is the car's own diagnostic system flagging a deviation, and BMW vehicles specifically use extensive onboard monitoring, meaning a light rarely appears without a real documented underlying cause. None of these 6 checks require a shop visit, a specialist, or more than about 15 minutes combined. But the data is consistent across every BMW maintenance source referenced in this video. The vehicles that reach extreme mileage without major failures are the ones where monthly checks were never skipped, not the ones that received expensive repairs after something already broke. Forever isn't a mystery. It's 15 minutes a month, done every month for years.